Welcome to Vridhi Finance. We are going to talk about Paradeep Phosphates Limited. Yes, absolutely. This is one of the company which is from the agriculture sector. It's basically into fertilization. And if you see the last year since 2019, all the companies from the chemical sector, fertilization are boom into the market. Anyways, we are going to review about Pradeep Phosphate Limited by Vridhi Finance. In that case, we are going to talk about this company. Their major key players already existing into the market, that is nothing but their competitor according to their products. Chambal Fertilizer and Chemicals Limited, Coromandel International Limited, Gujarat State Fertilizer and Chemicals Limited, Indo Gulf Fertilizer Limited, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, Indorma India Private Limited, Bangalore Chemical and Fertilizer Limited, National Fertilizer Limited, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer Limited, and they are competing with the Pradeep Phosphate Private Limited, Zurier Agrochemicals Limited. So these are their we can say here not as a competitor, but as if you see there are 16 group of companies into with them, that is Mangalore Chemical and Fertilizer, Texameco Rail and Engineering Limited, Zuari Global Limited, Zof Fertilizer 4 Company 4, Zof Fertilizer Company 5, Advance Finance Private Limited, Indian Furniture Products Limited, Indo Marco Phosphorus SA Morocco, Lionel India Limited, Pakistan Morocco Phosphor Phosphor Phosphate D Buraka SA, Simon India Limited, Zori Infra World India Limited, Zori Management Service Limited, Zori Farm Hub Limited, and Zori Yoma Agri Solutions Limited. So these are the 16 group of company. If you see, we are going to talk about their details. They are having the support in the north, south, west region of India, 28%, 23%, 26% and 23%. Okay, their sales where they have grabbed the sales from the Punjab, Haryana, UP, MP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, in that case, North they are having total number of dealers 984, where their number of retailers are 29,870, and the sales comes is 28%. If you goes to East, their number of dealers are 737, where number of retailers are 17,694, and 26% sales come from them. From the West region, they have 805 number of dealers, where 10,928 are the number of retailer, where the number of sales comes from 23%. From the West account, from the South account, if you see, number of dealers are 1,851. This is a major, their business comes from the South India. Number of number of retailers are connected 8,656, where number of 23% sales comes from this region. So this is all about this company, which we have already covered up. In case of there is a fertilizer name as a DAP, NPK 10, NPK 12, NPK 19, MOP, ammonium, SPN, CT compost, P202, HSS, phosphor, gypsum. These are the name of fertilizers, and they have given the name of fertilizer and according to the product based revenue too. So here we are going to talk about the company track record of financial performance. So here is we are going to talk about, see what is our DAP is a diammonium phosphate. Okay, And if you see what is meaning of NPK, it's a nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, that is NPK 10, NPK 12, NPK 20. Zap Zapmite, phosphor, gypsum, and hydrofluoric acid, that is HFSA. Okay, muriate of potash, that is MOP, ammonia special plant nutrient, SPN, and the city compost. Okay, so here we are going to talk about the total income from ninth month ended on 31st December 2021, 2020 year, financial year 2020, financial year 2021, financial year 2019. So here they have it's a 59 lakh 700, sorry, 59,736.88 million in rupees, where 51,837.41 million in rupees, 42,277.76 million, then 43,972.13 million respectively, while our profit from the period was 3,627.84 million, 2,232.68 million, 1,932.20 million, and 1,589.63 million respectively. Our EBITDA are 9 months from 31st December 2021 and fiscal year 2021, 2020 and 2019 are was basically 5,930.57 million, 5,612.56 million, 4,938.29 million, 4,807.48 million respectively. Our profit after before tax. Okay, anyways, we are not going to get segregation over here. Our company has incorporated in the year of 1981 and Zurier Morocco Phosphate Private Limited, joint venture with Zuri Agrochemicals Limited, that is ZASL OCP South Group SA, that is holding, they are having holding 80.45% equity shares of capital. And this is, they have given about the more about this Morocco and Western Sahara. Basically they are having, if you see, they are having the presence in Morocco, means South Africa and all, and here is Mauritius also. So here we are going to talk about their company in the sense, we are going to talk about their overview. Okay, so we are going to say about this company, already we have covered up. Now we will say they are having now total number of employee at ZACL is 500. Okay, sorry, here we are going to talk about not ZACL. First we will cover up something else and then we will talk to this company. Basically, yeah, they are having one of the company is Zori Yoma Agri Solution Limited, as they has says that this company is their subsidiaries. Okay, so here we are going to talk about their Goa facility. Okay, Goa facility, exactly what they are having the presence in Orissa, and they are having different different one of the manufacturing unit at Goa, so they call as a Goa facility. And this Goa facility also having a number of employee 590. Okay, total permanent employee. And this Goa facility has more concentrating in the south region as well as the west region. Okay, south in the sense Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. And the western Ghat, we can say over here. Goa facility, they have says that their extensive sales distribution, strong western part, and the facility is in 10 state, while the network region 131 stock points, where Goa facility marketing is included 2,869 dealer, 17,803 retailer catering 2.7 million farmers. So it is also again come into the picture with a large amount of market. So we are going to capture here Goa facility distribution, which is already western part of India, and this has been yeah, we already covered up. It's they are selling Jai Kisan Salahkar, okay, consultant. The Goa facility, basically their revenue facility gives good amount of revenue, and that is 11,712.73 million, 12,002.40 million, 9,603.82 million, 20,331.75 million, and compromises 65.13%, 54.08%, 48.25%, 43.14% is the total revenue from the operations 9 month ended 31st December 2021, financial year 2021, 2020, and 2019 respectively, where the major market has been captured by Goa facilities into the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and Chhattisgarh. As they said already, okay, we are on. So Goa facility basically supplying the complex fertilizer, DAP, urea, and several graded NPK 10, NPK 12, NPK 14, NPK 19, NPK 28. MOP, DAP, NPK 15 also. Okay, so they have given the revenue volume base, but we are not covering over here. So we are going to talk about more about this company on later on. Anyways, we already covered up a lot of information about this company, and in case of Pradeep Phosphate, we will say is that this company is having a good amount of grassroots. Okay, so if you are going to be in the companies with the grassroots, then we can say it is good for investment and it is evergreen. Means even after listing or before listing also you can work out with this company, if you are if you are looking for an investment. Say if you see the Chambal fertilizer, their competitor, then what basically, see there are number of fertilizer company are existing into the market, and they do more business as comparing as to others, because Indian economy is based on basically into agriculture sector. Yes, India is developing country. So here we are going to talk about the name of entity as a promoter group of company in terms Advents Trading, DMCC, African Plant Nutrition Institute, Association Mathematic du Morocco, Association par la Promotion de Mark Excellence, Atlas Cloud Service, Belief Intermediates, Bidra Innovation Ventures Fund LLC, Bidra Innovation Venture LLCs, Black Sea Fertilizer Trading Company, Casper GIE, where Center E. Richard the Phosphate Minerax then campaign Moroccan, the transport, the affirmance maritime, DuPont, OCP Operation Consulting, FO, Emma Euro Maroc Phosphorus, Eurochem Reassurance SA, Fertinagro Biotech, Forensio Endowment One Foundation, IBM Richard Parsons Invention Foundation, OCP Foundation, Phosphorus Foundation, Powerly. This science, economics, politics is it's social. Global Phosphorus Institute, Green Energy Park, Hydrotechnology Canada, Hydrometal, George Oxide, Indo-Morocco Phosphorus Institute, the promotion socio-educative, James Goldsmith International, JESA Building and Infrastructure, JESA East Africa, JESA International, JESA Senegal, JESA Technologies LLC, JESA West Africa, GI Thailand, Jor Fertilizer Company, Jor Fertilizer Company 1, Company 2, Company 3, Company 4, Company 5. Lead Initiative, Maghreb Hospitality Company, Mangalore Chemical and Fertilizer, Moroccan Foundation of Science, Innovation and Research, Multipurpose Industrial Platform Limited, OCP Africa, OCP Africa Fertilizer Nigeria Limited, OCP Argentina, OCP Benin SA, OCP Cameroon SA, OCP Cote d'Ivoire SA, OCP do Brazil, OCP Ethiopia Fertilizer Manufacturing PLC, OCP Fertilizer, OCP Ferti Agro Advanced Solution, OCP Ghana Limited, OCP Hospitality, OCP Innovation Fund for Agriculture, OCP International Cooperative UA, OCP International SAS, OCP Kenya Limited, OCP North America, OCP Senegal SA, OCP Singapore Service and Product PD, OCP Solution, OCP Support Service Private Limited, OCP Tanzania Limited, OCP Zambia Limited, Pakistan, Morocco, Phosphorus or Phosphate, the Buraq Policy Center of New South, Prayon Deluxe, it's Ben Klux, Prayon Dutchland, Prayon Iberica, Prayon Imo, Prayon Incorporation, Prayon Italia, Prayon Pucklide Company Limited, Prayon UK, Pratic Morocco, Rabat School, Governance and Economy, Rwanda Fertilizer Company, SAFTCO, SWFCO, Silox UK, Silox CanCam Incorporation, SLM Society, the Augmented, the Development, the Mazagan Society, the Amendment, the Development World Society, the Gaston, the I Hotel Michelin Society, the Transported, the Affirmant Reunion Society, the Transport Regenex Society, the Novel, the Scholastic Society, Palace Jamai, Teal Technology Services, Technopost, Transpark Industry Limited, University Muhammad VI, Polytechnic, University Muhammad Polytechnic Endowment Holding, University Muhammad VI, Polytechnic Venture Capital, Zori Farm Hub Limited, Zori Global Limited, Zori Yoma Agri Solutions Limited. So these are the group promoters entity. If you see, this company is majorly into what is this company is majorly have a presence in South Africa. They have expanded in US, Canada, and many more other countries as a fertilizer supplier. If you see, this company has literally means like they have did a lot of things. Okay, so here we can say is about this. We are going to talk about this company basically, that is Pradeep Phosphate Limited, and this company has for based in Odisha. Okay, and this company has based in Odisha at Cuttack. And yes, absolutely, they have started this company in the month of December 24th, 1981. This company has become public limited on 29th April. They have received the certificate in the year of 2002. The register office, 5th floor, Orissa, State Handloom Weavers Cooperative Building, Pandit J. N. Marg, Bhubaneswar, and 751001 Odisha. Sorry. Corporate office, 3rd floor, Advent Center, 29th Union Street off Cuban Road, Bangalore, 56001, Karnataka. For further information, log on pradeepphosphate.com. If you see, their total number of employee 905, permanent 905 permanent employee. Okay, so they have this why they are having this amount of things, because they are having government types. Okay, and if you see, we are going to talk about their company footprint over here. 1981, the company incorporation of our company. 1986, commission of diammonium phosphate plant phase 1. 1992, commission sulfuric acid plant, phosphoric acid plant, and captive power plant phase 2. 2002, disinvestment of by government of India, acquisition ZMPPL joint venture ZACL Morocco Phosphorus SA of 74% paid equity shares capital of company. 2002 to 2003, right issue entirely subscribed ZMPPL increasing stake 80.45% paid equity share capital of our company. 2009, obtain ISO 14001 to 2004 and ISO 9001 to 2008 certification. 2020, obtain BSO HSAS 18001 to 2007 certification. 2018, incorporation joint venture Zoriyoma Agri Solutions Limited. 2019, obtain ISO IEC 27001 2013 certification. 2020, obtained product steward excellence certificate IFA Protect Sustain Product Stewardship Program. 2019, obtain ISO 9001 2015, ISO 40001 2015, ISO 45001 2018 certifications, and 2021 ISO 5001 2018 certification. So this is all about their company. We already covered up the details of the company. We are going to talk about Pradeep Phosphate Limited IPO 2022. This symbol will be Pradeep. Issue period will be 17th May 2022 till 19th May 2022. Post issue modification 20th May 2022 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. UPI cutoff mandate on 20th May 2022 will be up to 12 p.m. And the issues type is book build issue 100%. Price range is 39 rupees to 42 rupees, up to face value 10 rupees, ticket size 1 rupees. Bid lot will be 350 equity share and multiple of thereof. Minimum order quantity 350 shares. Maximum subscription amount for retail investor up to 2 lakh. Maximum bid for QIB also they have given. Anyway, we are not going to read this. And yes, absolutely. IPO market timing will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running leading manager JM Financial, SBI Capital Market Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, Access Capital Limited, and sponsored bank is ICICI Bank. Subscription prediction for Pradeep Phosphate Limited by Vridhi Finance. We will give it to you. Subscription predictions are 20% to 65%. We are not giving over valuation because this year people are not showing that much amount of interest, but probably this will get a good amount of, it can cross 65% up to 85% too. The promoters are Zori Morocco Phosphate Private Limited, Zori Agrochemical Limited, OCPSA, and President of India. Oh my gosh, acting through the Departmental Fertilizer, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Government of India. They have claimed it. Rating strategy for Pradeep Phosphate Limited by Vridhi Finance 3.8 out of 5. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. We will come back to you once this issue will get closed. Yes, absolutely. Hopefully this issue will get subscribed very good amount and we will come back to you with the GMP analysis.